New water fountain needed. A couple years now. New water fountain needed here at Muscle Beach. New fences for paddle tennis. Keep the new stuff flowing. Let us get hydrated. No days off. We're out here. Halloween 2022. Keep it herbal. Stay evolving. Put in the work. Enjoy the day. Beautiful vibes here. Venice Beach, Muscle Beach, Mother Earth. Got the tunes. Got the fitness. We all evolve together. The team evolves as one. Yay, yay. Keep it herbal, get high. Good endorphins, good herbs. Fresh air, breathe deep. One love. Free Britney.